Over there, over there, over there.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
No.
Alright, guys, come.
You got food. You got food. Free candy. Go!
No.
You know what? Screw this. I'm going Home
On
Depot.
top, on top. Home Depot.
Help me!
What happened?
You deleted it all.
Jacob.
Nah.
These are my freedom.
Wait, look, there's the shark. Hey.
Help me!
Your render distance is so low.
I can't put it up right now because I'm getting chased.
No,
Is it? Oh no! Oh, oh, I'm dropping. Oh, I'm dropping. Oh, I'm dropping. Oh, I'm
Oh, I'm
dropping.
dropping too. Oh, I'm dropping.
Oh, I'm out of plan. I'm out of plan. I'm out of plan. Yeah, give me. Wait, guys. Time out. Time out.
Jump. Jump.
What the?
That button for Robux. You didn't know. Caleb's right there.
How did Caleb get there?
He died to the Robux thing, I think.
That don't work. That don't work.
They won't see me. Oh.
Oh!
Get down.
Oh, I'm coming.
There's like 3 cars running after
Here we go. Woo! Wow!
Oh shit, you're gonna get trapped.
Watch this.
Open
Oh.
the door.
Oh, I gotta
Whoa,
go
blew
leave
up,
me. I
hey.
gotta go here. Oh.
Down here, hey.
This is an endless chase scene. Just end it already.
SpongeBob.
The ugliest looking SpongeBob ever.
Caution, I will be.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't work.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye, guys.
Bye.
I'm getting back.
Holy shit, bro. This game is holding me. He's gonna crash us. You cannot do this.
Up.
Wait, I'm trying to figure it out. Oh!
Oh, yo, I see it.
You're so
What is this?
What is it? What is it?
Hey, yo, look.
What's going on?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah. Let's go. Get out of here.
We made it.
Who's that guy? Hey.
Time to sleep.